In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your second account on Instagram. So if you're like me and you have multiple accounts on your Instagram, then I'm going to be showing you how you can delete the second one. So the process is very straightforward. I'm just going to tap on my profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner and switch to my secondary account. You don't want to be deleting your main account. So tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right-hand corner. Then you just go to settings, and then we can scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to go to where it says add or switch accounts right there. And I'm just going to log into my secondary account. Once you're logged in, we want to go to our profile again. Tap on the three lines at the top right, then go to settings. And then we want to tap on the option that says help. And then we want to go to the help center, which is the second option there. That's just going to load up for a moment. Then in the help center, we're just going to type in delete and then hit search. Okay, so it wasn't coming up from the help center, so sorry for wasting your time there. But now I'm on a web browser and I just went to Google and I typed in Instagram delete account page. So I'm going to tap on the first result. That should take me here. And then the second option there is how do I delete my Instagram account? You want to tap on that, and then you want to scroll down, and then you just want to tap on here, delete your account. That hyperlink is what you want to click on. It's going to take you through a few steps, and I believe you'll have to have your password ready. So go through the steps. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to actually delete my account, but you'll just follow the steps after you click on delete your account, and then your second account will be deleted. And that's pretty much it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.